By making sure your heating and cooling systems are working properly, you can keep extra energy from making a ruckus in your home. The average house loses up to 30% of the air in its duct system due to loose ductwork. But thankfully, you can curb your losses. Have a technician inspect your systems annually, and remember to clean or change your furnace and air conditioning filters on a regular basis, depending on the usage and season. Keeping your heating and cooling systems in tune is an easy way to reduce extra energy at home. And that's a good thing. For tips on improving your home's heating and cooling efficiency with an energy analysis from Indiana-Michigan Power, visit electricideas.com/weatherization. And don't let extra energy interrupt your life.